Alright, so in this section of the course, we will learn about data model. So before we dive into data models, first we need to understand what data model actually is. To understand simply, we will say that data model is the relationship or the connection between two or more data tables. Now, what does that mean? So let's say in Power BI, we have this five data. Let's say we have sales 2016 sales data. So for sales, we have 1, 2, 3 data. This is actually the concatenation between these three data. If you remember, we did it in Power BI, and we have a product lookup table. Now, this is not a relationship. Why this is not a relationship is because there is no connection between any of the table. So, why I am saying that this is not a data model is because there is no connection between any of the tables. Now, in this slide, if you see, we have a connection between this table to this table based on the product key. And this is a data model. Why? Because we have a relationship, and the relationship is between product key and product key from the sales data to the product lookup table. Now, why do we need the data model? We need the data model just to access some extra information from another table. Let's say in this sales data, we don't have any information like what is the product color, what is the product cost, and we want this information to be in our table. So to get this information, all this information in this table, we need a relationship between them. So this is why we need a data model, and we will see how we can create this data model and how we can work with this data models in our later section. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.